In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Wix Studio 2026 step-by-step guide. Anchor links let visitors jump straight to a specific section on a page with a single click. They're perfect for long pages like services, FAQs, or event listings because they reduce scrolling and help people find what they need faster. I'll walk you through setting them up, naming them clearly, connecting them to your site menu, and testing the results so everything feels smooth and professional. Start by accessing your workspace. Log into your Wix account, open your project in the Wix Studio editor, and navigate to the exact page where you want this navigation shortcut. It's helpful to have the section you're targeting already designed so you know exactly where the jump should land. Next, add an anchor to a section. Click to select the section you want visitors to jump to, like your upcoming events or contact us. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Add Elements Plus icon. Open Menu and Search, then select Anchors. Drag the anchor icon onto your chosen section. You'll see an anchor line appear at the top of that section. Think of this line as the landing marker. The page will scroll until this line reaches the right spot on the screen. Now name your anchor so it's easy to find later. Click the anchor icon you just placed. In the small floating menu, click Settings. Give your anchor a clear, memorable name like Events or Contact. This name is for your reference when linking menu items or buttons, so keep it short and descriptive. Connect the anchor to your menu next. Go to your site's header and click your horizontal menu. Choose Manage Menu. At the bottom of the list, click Add Item and select Section or Anchor. In the pop-up, first choose the page where the anchor lives. Then, under Where on the page, select the anchor name you just created. Click Done to confirm. Organize your navigation so it looks great. Give the new menu item a public-facing label, such as Upcoming Events, then drag it into the position you prefer in the menu lineup. Click Done to save those changes. Finally, preview and test. Click Preview in the top right corner, then click your new menu link. The page should smoothly scroll to the correct section. If it lands slightly too high or too low, often due to sticky headers, go back to the editor and drag the anchor line up or down to fine-tune the landing spot. That's it. You've created clean, user-friendly anchor links in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.